I'm Natalie and I studied social work at the University of Huddersfield. I picked the University of Huddersfield because when I came on an open day, everyone was really friendly and approachable. I loved that the course had a placement so I could get practical experience whilst I'm here, and when I got the talk from the social work lecturers, it sounded fabulous. I'd not been to Huddersfield before and I was taken aback by how much greenery and open space there is. I found it really relaxing, especially when I was studying for exams and coursework. So I chose the course because it was only one of 2 universities in the country to offer it. The lecturers had an understanding of what social work was like in practice and transferred that really well to the classroom. They built an environment where you could thrive, but you could also say if you're not okay, which I think is really important. As part of my course, I completed a 90-day placement, so I went into the local area and worked in an enhanced mental health unit with Kirklees Council, and it made me put everything that I'd learned into practice and gave me a real life experience of what it would look like in the job. I found the placement extremely rewarding. I developed many skills, including time management, because I had to balance my placement along with my university work. Also skills like empathy and being caring for people. You have quite a high caseload sometimes, so you need to make sure that you're managing your time but also providing the right level of care for people. I now work for one of the big 4 consulting firms and I specialise in management consulting, especially people, so making sure that everyone has the learning and development resources that they need, and also that D&I and culture is firmly integrated into the organisation so that people feel like they have a sense of belonging. I love working with people and I always knew that I was going to go into a career which is people focused. I realised whilst I was studying that there was a term called social mobility, and coming from a working class background, I not only wanted to work my way up the social mobility ladder but also support those who are disadvantaged to help them overcome problems, and I think that's a relatable thing between social work and management consulting because you're solving people's problems no matter what they face. My favourite memory of studying at Huddersfield was definitely graduating. After completing a 3-year course, I put in so much hard work. My parents didn't go to university, so having the opportunity for them to see me with a cap and gown on was one of the best days of my life. I'd definitely advise students to study at the University of Huddersfield. You get lots of support whilst you're being here. It's a great student-focused town and the experience is phenomenal.